The Point Break workshop is a fun activity, but it's also very educational. It just basically just goes into detail like what people like have going on in their lives and like what we can help to like what we can do to help them.
It was just all about bullying and about what it can do to other people and what it can cause.
It's a bit of fun and games, and then there's some serious parts to it, but you get to actually get a partner you can open up to, and you can open up to people there, and you can actually, if you have like a bunch of emotions all bottled up, you can actually let them out instead of just being all emotions, and then you won't like angrily explode on somebody.
The Point Break workshop for me was something for kids to like connect. Like, let's say you're bullying some kid and you don't know their story.
Some of the lessons I taught us was like just like how to help other people and like how to be encouraging and just like not to hurt others.
Some of the biggest lessons were that they were trying to teach you it's okay to have hard days, but it's not okay to just take it out on somebody else. Just like take it out on a pillow or something inanimate or something instead of just taking it out on a person or yourself.
They had a PowerPoint and we also did some fun activities. Like one was called Cross the Line, and it was a good way to talk about stuff without even talking. He would just ask us questions, and if it happened in your life, you would cross the line, and we didn't even have to talk about anything. And it shows that not just like one person is in something bad, there's other people doing stuff that we didn't even know about.
I think the biggest thing I learned yesterday from the workshop is to never hold in all the anger.
It helps like express their feelings and like some people it took a weight off their shoulders.
It helps get emotional stress out. Like, you're really stressed about something and then something else is going on, and then you just talk about it with like a bunch of people, and like it helps just relieve that stress.
It is important to do the Point Break workshop because it just like helps people a lot with like letting some air out of their balloon, as one of their expressions was. Because if you don't let some of the air out of your balloon, then you're gonna pop at some point. So you need to be able to express your feelings and emotions to others.